We will not be held responsible for any hearing impairments or damage caused to you from excessive exposure to this sound.
La, 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 la.